Bobo Melon.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Move your arms like you're holding wool. Yes sir, yes sir. 3 bags full, or pretend to stuff bags, shake 'em. One for the master, one for the dame, or point to the master and the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Skip in place or jump forward like you're the little boy. Hop and spin in circles, getting the kids to follow. Wool so fluffy, wool so bright, fluff your hands in the air like a shaky wool. Keeps us warm all day and night. Hug yourself and sway side to side for warmth. Baa Baa white sheep, have you any wool? Pretend to pet the sheep, soft and fluffy. Yes sir, yes sir. Soft and full, rub your cheeks as if the wool is so soft. One for my sweater, one for my hat. Pretend to put on a sweater and a hat. Spin around to make it fun. One for a scarf, so cozy like that. Wrap your arms around yourself like you're putting on a cozy scarf. Wool so fluffy, wool so bright. Spin around in circles with your arms up like you're floating in wool. Keeps us warm all day and night. Hug yourself tightly like you're wrapped in a blanket, whether black or white or even blue. Wiggle and point to all the colors. Say baa and we love you. Everyone shout baa and do a fun group cheer.